You're in the track, babe.
Lee's at.
They got dinner plates on the front.
It does. It does. I love it.
I can eat off them for sure. Fine.
You can.
Anybody got the same one?
I would kill it.
Hey, I got some more for food. They're Hawaiian rolls.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. Well, Lacey's awesome. This chick is rad. Her husband's super nice. He brought a really evil truck too, right?
What?
Didn't he bring an evil truck too?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
He ran the problem my shop with some parts and he built an epic truck.
Oh,
well, only a couple parts. But the thing is, I've seen this thing rip in Texas.
Yeah.
The belt flew off after about 10 seconds, so that was kind of an issue. But after that, it overheated miserably, but it got down.
Okay, well, let's
So
see.
if she does some flips, some figure eights, throws in a little bit of style, some finesse, it looks like ballerina dancing.
Yeah, but she looks like a ballerina, so it probably she's better at this than us.
I don't know. I could get down some ballerina shoes.
Yeah, I want to see the Crocs. There are those. Oh yeah, they are in two-wheel drive. Okay, it's fine.
No, three-wheel drive.
Oh, you got one in four-wheel drive. One. That's like every new Dodge.
Oh, you're roasting me now.
I got you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, give a big round of applause. Oh, everybody who's your driver's license or spend the night not in your house.
I didn't have a driver's license when I started.
Oh. Where is it that you live?
I still don't have a driver's license.
What? Why?
I lost it a while back.
Oh. Wait, the state gave you one.
But no, I'm still looking for it. I don't know where you go to get it.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Jesus, help us.
Sit down. I'm tired of all these cars tripping so good.
Wow.
Hold on, I gotta shake my teeth.
Okay, brother man, what's your name? Where are you from? And your wife was out here earlier in her truck, wasn't she? No way. No, dude, can I get collective? Oh, for Lacey.
What happened?
She blowed it up, dude.
Yeah! What are you guys sad about? Are you sad?
Hopefully we don't go over two. Alright, so dude, you brought this beast out, and it is rad. I mean, rad, nasty, evil, dude. You turned out pretty good. Now, that dude over there,
Hey, what up, dude? How you doing?
he told
You
me you
excited?
stole parts.
Hey, here's the good. Hey, does the drive shaft still hit the bottom of the floor? You beat it with a hammer? Oh, is it a big hammer? Oh, there we go.
Alright, brother, we want to see you do it in this thing. What year is this thing? 58 Ford F1.
Look at this.
Holy hell.
Look how baller this guy is.
Dude, he didn't do like ugly steelies.
No, them are brand new forged wheels, brand new.
Damn, and those tires, it's expensive. And it's got all the underglow going on everywhere.
I know. His fuel pump's louder than mine. Okay, well I'm gonna stop looking at him.
Wow. This thing's
Hey,
bad.
I got a question, right? You've been telling me this whole time you're gonna come out here and send it. Was you lying? Oh, you was? No. What? Well, that's the 60 seconds. Oh my God, my man!
Head on out there, big dog. Not that thing is shiny. I don't do shiny. I do patina and dull.
But it's patina and